So in this video, I will walk you through how to create a Protractor project from very scratch. You don't have to know anything. So let's say I am a new person. I want to learn uh, as a Protractor automation test automation framework. Now go to the Google first of all. Then as a pre-requirement, you have to download and install Node.js. So type Node.js, download, then download Node.js. So you see the window installer, Mac installer. Based on your source, you can install. Let's say the mine one is a Mac OS. So I'll be click on the Mac OS and double click on it. It will install Node.js. For Windows, you can just click on it. It will download for you, and you can double click on that download folder. It will install for you. So this is the first one. The second one, you have to have the editor in order to writing the code. So which is I liked a lot. It's called a BS Code editor. So BS Code download. So you can download BS Code as a free for Mac and for the Windows as well as. So click on download and double click on that. It will install for you. So right after that, so you can the third step, you have to create a new folders on the screen on the desktop, new folder, and let's say folder name is Diamond. So let's say Diamond. So this is the project name, Diamond. So we'll be working about on the Diamond project. Now open up the BS Code. You can just hit Command spacebar and BS Code. It will open for you. So now I already have open over here. So new Windows. So this is the Visual Studio Code look likes as a first times. So now this is the project you created on the desktop. Just drag and drop. I just dragged and drop. You see the Diamond over here. So this is the first things you have to do in order to start creating a project file into the project folder itself. So now we will navigate to the Protractor website itself. Protractor. The second one is a www.protractor.org. Click on it. The first page, it all explanation, all self-explanatory over here. It says the setup, npm install, WebDriver, but we'll walk you through later on. So let's start with the which one comes first. So we'll create a file called todo space spec. So todo.spec. So now I can create a file by mouse hover on that file, then todo.specs.js. So we'll be creating extension. It's called a JS file, and just copy and paste all the code from here. Copy, paste, save it. Now another file we'll be creating, which is called a configuration. So it's a conf.js. So again, create another file which is called a conf.js. Now inside the conf.js, I'll just copy and paste this code again one more time, save it. Now, so I will be opening up a console inside the Visual Studio Code by shortcut Control-Shift-tilde. So now I'll be executing the npm install. Those are the setups. So just copy and paste on the console itself. So for the Windows, it's going to be remaining same, Control-Shift-tilde. So the second command, which is a WebDriver Manager update. So I just do the WebDriver Manager update. The third one is called a WebDriver Manager start. So let's WebDriver Manager start. I just start the WebDriver Manager from the Selenium. So now it will up and running. So I will open up the new console. You see that by clicking on the plus icon, and I will type the last command, which is called a run the test, protractor conf.js. So now type copy and paste and hit enter. Let's see it is running or not. There you go, my first test, it's running and executing all the tests. You see the dot, green dot, that's mean my test case is pass. So in this video, so this is what I want to explain to you, how to create a Protractor framework as a test automation, UI test automation framework from the scratch. So on the next video, we'll be learning about more intermediate level, the next steps. Thank you.